Let's take a closer look at this Active Era queen size air mattress. I need to show everyone the mattress closed up in its carrying container or bag. It's very easy to store, put in your vehicle, transport, do everything you need. It is very compact in size to store in a closet. This portable air mattress is perfect for visiting guests or taking on a camping trip. Let's take a closer look at this inflated Active Era queen size mattress. You can see that it's 17 inches from the ground. The air mattress has a built-in pump. It takes roughly 2 to 3 minutes to inflate, and it is a very solid and durable mattress. You can see here how tough it is by sitting on the side, and then it has a built-in pillow on the end that you can use. The inflated dimensions are 60 inches by 80 long by 20, roughly 20 high. So it is compact and very easy to use. I highly recommend this mattress for any type of use. You can see it here in our living room. It can be used anywhere.